back to Destination Delicious. I'm Christy.
And I am Spencer.
And today we're coming to you from the beautiful Flathead River.
On location.
It's been really warm here, so we decided to spend the day along the river, and we're gonna keep that heat going tonight and make some jalapeno pig poppers.
So let's fire up the Blackstone and get going. Thanks for joining us, guys. One of the things that we love the most about our 22-inch Blackstone is that it's pretty portable. And so as we travel around the country and we find different cool destinations to go to, if we want to take our Blackstone and cook delicious snacks on the side of a river, we can absolutely do that. We're on the Flathead River, like Christy said, just outside of Glacier National Park in Montana, and we are about to cook
Jalapeno pig peppers.
Jalapeno pig poppers.
Peppers, poppers, poppers, peppers, pepper poppers.
Pepper poppers.
Yeah.
This is definitely one of our favorite snacks.
It's been a go-to for our family for years. We're really passionate about supporting small businesses. So our bacon and our hot sausage are coming local from Farm to Market Pork in Kalispell, Montana. Okay, to get us started, we're gonna kick the bacon. Is that what you're...
Kick the bacon. I'm going to kick the bacon.
I said cook the bacon.
Oh, cook the...
I said cook the bacon.
It sounded like you said kick the bacon.
We're going to kick the bacon?
I think we kick the bacon, but...
No, we're going to cook the bacon.
Step number one is going to be get the bacon going. So I'm going to set the Blackstone to medium heat. The key is going to be to get the bacon nice and crispy because we're going to be crumbling up as a topping for our poppers later.
While Spencer has the bacon going, I am going to prep the jalapenos, and I'm first going to start with cutting off all the ends. I will then split them down the middle and cut out the veins and the seeds, putting those aside as well because I will mix some of those into our sausage and cream cheese filling. So we have about 15 peppers here, and we're going to use 16 ounces of cream cheese and 1 pack of hot breakfast sausage,
which is a pound.
We usually find that we do have a little bit left over, but if you find you have leftover filling, don't worry, warm it up, add some chips. It's a fantastic dip as well.
This is just about done. Actually, I think it is done. This is good and crispy. Not burnt yet. You little bacon thief. Now that the bacon is done, I'm going to clean off the griddle just a little bit so that I can get part 2 of our jalapeno pig poppers done. I'm going to get the sausage going so we can start making our filling.
I'm not here to steal another bacon piece, but I almost lifted up the biggest rock over there.
Yeah? Yeah,
the biggest one.
I want to open up the cream cheese instead of Spencer because I just realized I got a third less fat. And I guess Spencer doesn't like anything reduced. I don't know if that was all they had. Sorry about that.
There are 2 sounds that really make me happy. 1.
My voice.
3 sounds that really make me happy. 2 is sizzling sausage or sizzling bacon. And 3, running water.
Yes. I mean, this is our kitchen.
Yeah.
This is our backyard. This is.
And I've got those 3 favorite sounds all in one spot. Putting both blocks of cream cheese right down on top of the sausage. Then we're just gonna mix that all in.
Now that that's all mixed in, we can mix in the seeds and the veins. We're just gonna sprinkle it on top, and then Spencer's going to blend it all together.
Filling is all done, so I'm going to put it in a bowl now and set it aside so I can get the peppers prepped to be filled. I'm going to throw the jalapenos on the griddle just to give them a little bit of a cook through, and then we will be able to fill them. You crumble the bacon.
I'm just crumbling up the bacon, taking the crispiest pieces I can, and I'm just crumbling it up into small little bacon bits. One thing about taking our griddle to destination or pretty locations away from our RV is that you have to think ahead and pack everything. And I forgot spoons, so I just realized. So filling our peppers is going to be interesting, but we'll make it work with a knife.
Peppers are done. Gonna throw them in this bowl so we can fill them.
Time to stuff the peppers. Because I forgot a spoon, I'm using a knife, but you just put your filling in there, and then they're just gonna go back on the griddle once they're all stuffed.
Griddle's back on low heat. We're just gonna throw the stuffed peppers on for a few minutes, and I think they're gonna be toasty. I think these are good peppers.
I can smell the heat. The poppers are ready. They look fantastic. We're just gonna plate them, sprinkle some bacon crumbles on top. Not only do we love these poppers for camping, we love them for entertaining, we love them as a great appetizer. They're perfect for tailgating.
These jalapeno pig poppers look fantastic. I'm so excited to dive
smell like they could be a little heat, like
right
hot.
into the pork. All right, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
That was so,
Oh
Feel
yeah. These are good peppers.
oh yeah.
These
Feel
are
it
good
on
peppers.
the back of my throat. Woo!
Definitely warm peppers. The creaminess of the cream cheese balances out the crunchiness of the pepper and the bacon. Jalapeno pig poppers are fantastic. Well, thank you guys for joining us at Flathead River for our jalapeno pig popper recipe. We hope you tried it home and tell us if you enjoy it. Leave us a comment below on what you think. Are you someone who likes heat, or do you kind of try and keep it mild? Also, check out blackstoneproducts.com to find all the information on these amazing griddles, recipes, and all kinds of stuff Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, click that bell so that you know every time we get a new video up.
Absolutely. Be sure to check out Nate's show, CJ has a show, Betty has a show, and Todd has a show as well. They're
Yep.
fantastic. They
They're
make
all great.
amazing dishes. Till
I
next
think that's
week.
going to do it for us. So until next time, guys, this has been Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.